Decoding the mystery. In recent times, there's been a worrying increase in autoimmune diseases. These are conditions where the body's defense system mistakenly attacks its own cells. They come in many types, like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, multiple sclerosis, and type 1 diabetes. While we're still not sure exactly why autoimmune diseases are becoming more common, a few things might be contributing to it. Things in the environment, the stuff around us, can affect how our immune system works. Things like pollution, chemicals, and germs can mess up our immune system, causing autoimmune diseases. Changes in how we live, like living in cities and using more technology, might be bringing in new things that trigger these diseases. Our genes are like a blueprint for our body. Some people have genes that make them more likely to get autoimmune diseases. But just having those genes isn't enough to cause the disease. It seems like the environment also has to play a part. The hygiene idea, this is a theory that says we're not exposed to enough germs when we're young. In the past, people used to get sick more often, but that might have trained their immune systems better. Now, with better hygiene and vaccines, our immune systems might not get the practice they need, leading to autoimmune diseases. Problems in our gut is full of tiny living things called microbes. They help our immune system work properly. But things like what we eat, taking antibiotics, and being stressed out can mess up the balance of microbes in our gut. This might make our immune system go haywire and cause autoimmune diseases. Our diet and lifestyle, the way we eat and live, can affect our health too. Eating a lot of processed foods, sugary stuff, and not moving enough can cause inflammation and mess up our body's balance. This can make autoimmune diseases more likely to happen. Climate change and pollution, changes in our environment, like pollution and climate change, can also mess with our health. Breathing in dirty air or being exposed to toxins can mess up our immune system and cause autoimmune diseases. Stress and feeling down, feeling stressed out, or having mental health issues like depression can also affect our immune system. Stress can make our body more inflamed and cause autoimmune diseases to flare up or get worse. Understanding and managing autoimmune diseases. Given the complexity and the variety of factors involved, it's crucial to approach the rise in autoimmune diseases from multiple angles. Here are some strategies and considerations for managing and potentially reducing the incidence of these conditions. Environmental adjustments, reducing exposure to harmful chemicals and pollutants is essential. Governments and organizations can implement stricter regulations on environmental toxins. On a personal level, individuals can take steps to limit exposure by using natural cleaning products, avoiding plastics, and filtering drinking water. Genetic research, advances in genetic research can help identify individuals at higher risk for autoimmune diseases. Understanding genetic predispositions can lead to personalized medicine approaches, where treatments and preventive measures are tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. Promoting healthy microbiomes, maintaining a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for immune health. This can be supported through a balanced diet rich in fiber, fermented foods, and probiotics. Reducing unnecessary antibiotic use is also important to prevent disrupting the gut's microbial balance. Healthy lifestyle choices, encouraging a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help reduce inflammation. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and stress management techniques such as yoga and meditation, can also support overall immune function. Mental health support, providing resources and support for mental health, can help manage stress and anxiety, which in turn can help reduce the risk of autoimmune disease flare-ups. Therapy, counseling, and mindfulness practices can be beneficial. Public health initiatives, raising awareness about the importance of a balanced immune system and the potential triggers for autoimmune diseases, can lead to better public health strategies. Vaccination programs, hygiene education, and measures to improve overall public health can contribute to this effort. Research and development, continued investment in research is critical. Scientists are constantly working to understand the underlying mechanisms of autoimmune diseases. New treatments and therapies are being developed that can more effectively target the root causes of these conditions. Patient education and advocacy, educating patients about their conditions and how to manage them, can empower individuals to take control of their health. Patient advocacy groups play a significant role in providing support and resources to those affected by autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases are on the rise due to a combination of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. By addressing these elements comprehensively, we can better understand, manage, and potentially reduce the incidence of these complex conditions. It will take a collaborative effort from individuals, healthcare providers, researchers, and policymakers to tackle this growing health issue effectively. With ongoing research and a proactive approach to health and wellness, there is hope for improved outcomes and a better quality of life for those affected by autoimmune diseases. To sum up, autoimmune diseases becoming more common is probably because of a mix of things like our genes, the environment, what we eat and how we live, and even how we feel. Figuring out why this is happening and how to stop it will take a lot of work. But with more research, we might find ways to prevent and treat autoimmune diseases better in the future.